Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I change the Whirlpool 4 burner cooktop switch. So product code is listed on the screen and I listed the description in the link. The product I bought from Amazon.com. So this is the 4 burner cooktop of Whirlpool, and one of the switch was faulty. Because of that, one of the burner was not working. So I brought the item from the Amazon.com. Link is in the description. So now first thing we have to basically switch off the range main from the electric panel, and then start unscrewing each of the screw from the cooktop one by one. It is pretty easy to unscrew. Now you have to remove the knob so that you can pull off the top of the cooktop. This is the panel. You need to again unscrew to pull the switch for this switch. Screws you have to unscrew one by one. Now pull the switch which is faulty. Yeah, there is a white and a black basically panel we need to fix on the switch. Black should be the behind and white should be the front. That's what I understand from the previous switch connection. Once it is done, you just have to put the padding back and insert the screw to basically hold it on the panel. Now again you have to screw all the vertical panel together. See, it's working fine. I just tested it. The faulty panel started working. And then I am re-screwing all the screws. Almost done. Now you have to put the glass top. And then again screw. There is a gasket on the knob. You need to use that gasket and then use the knob. And that's what we put the knob. Put the entire